Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is hands down one of the best long-distance friendship gifts you can find, the Homsolver Miss Your Face scented candle. If you're looking for a thoughtful and meaningful way to remind someone special that you're thinking of them, especially when miles apart, this candle is an excellent choice. This beautifully crafted candle comes in a simple yet elegant glass jar, featuring the heartfelt phrase, "Miss Your Face," making it a perfect gift for friends, sisters, moms, or anyone dear to your heart. It's more than just a candle. It's a gentle reminder of love and connection, even when you can't be together in person. What makes this candle truly special is its natural soy wax base and the soothing lavender scent. The lavender aroma is mild but calming, known for helping relaxation and better sleep. So whether your friend lights it up while working, reading, or winding down for the night, this candle creates a peaceful atmosphere that enhances comfort and tranquility. The candle itself measures about 2.7 inches wide and 3.1 inches high, compact enough to fit beautifully on a desk, bedside table, or shelf. It offers up to 50 hours of burn time, so your thoughtful gift will keep giving for quite a while. And importantly, it burns cleanly with no black smoke, which means no worries about residue or indoor pollution. After the candle has finished burning, the jar isn't just trash, it's reusable. You can wash it out and turn it into a small vase, a makeup brush holder, or a container for organizing small items. This makes it an eco-friendly choice that adds practical value beyond its initial use. The Homsolver Miss Your Face candle is designed with a single wick, ensuring an even burn and easy maintenance. Just remember to trim the wick before each use and avoid drafts for the best experience. It's suitable for indoor use, perfect for any room like the bedroom, living room, or bathroom, and even for outdoor activities like camping or picnics to set a warm, inviting mood. Whether it's a birthday, Christmas, Valentine's Day, or just a spontaneous gift to show you care, this candle fits all occasions and seasons. It's a stylish and heartfelt way to say you miss someone and keep that connection alive despite the distance. If you want a gift that combines a meaningful message, calming scent, and beautiful design, the Homsolver Miss Your Face scented candle is a top contender. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.